Hi there, students. Qualified and unqualified. Well, firstly, you can have qualified or unqualified, meaning having qualifications. He's a qualified doctor. He's unqualified to give advice like that. But I was thinking of this in a different way. Qualified, limited. So I will give you qualified support for your idea. The event was an unqualified success. Okay, unqualified, not limited in any way. Yeah, you have my unqualified support. I will support you in any way I can. Okay, so qualified, not complete, not absolute. In English you have qualifiers. That was quite good. It's not extremely, really, but it's not bad at all. Yeah, that was fairly good. That's a qualifier. And then unqualified, that was incredibly good. Yeah, so if you qualify something, you limit it. You put limits to something. But unqualified, without reservation, without limitation, that was an unqualified success. You have my unqualified gratitude, unlimited, categorical, without any reservations at all, without any limits. Yeah, I will give you my qualified approval. Yeah, I give you my approval, but within certain limits, within certain qualifiers. Yeah, he gave me an unqualified denial. He said absolutely categorically that he hadn't done it. Yeah, the event was an unqualified success. It was unqualified in every way. Okay, but a qualified success. It was good. It was a success in certain areas, but not in all areas. So qualified support, qualified approval. Yeah, your support or approval is not total because you have some doubts about certain areas. So this qualified says it's restricted. Yeah, it's limited. It's conditional. Yeah, it's provisional. It doesn't cover absolutely anything, and that's the idea of qualified. Yeah, restricted or limited by conditions. Okay, assuming that you have told everything you have told me is true, assuming all of your assumptions are true, I will give you my qualified support. Yeah, I will give you my limited support, not unqualified support, not without limits, not absolute. Yeah, so unqualified, without any limits at all. Yeah, my give me your unqualified criticism. Don't pull your punches. Don't hold back. Yeah, an unqualified success, unqualified support. Yeah, not limited in any way at all. Yeah, qualified, limited in the way that you want to limit something. So yeah, I can only judge this to be a qualified success, not an absolute success, but it's a success in certain areas and not all of them. Okay, a qualified success, an unqualified success. I think I would give this a 6 in formality, but I would say use it anywhere, although it is on the more formal side. Use informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the word qualify. Yeah, to qualify, from Latin qualis, what kind, such a kind, of a type, yeah, qualificare in medieval Latin, and then unqualified of any type. Yeah, so qualified there are limits, unqualified there are not limits. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Qualified and unqualified.